Welcome to English Learners Heaven, and I am here with most simple and common words with their meanings. So let's get started. Abandon. It means leave or neglect. Something is left by someone or neglected. If we make a sentence, then we can say, this house is abandoned for years. Accuse. It means blame or claim. That means blame someone or claim someone for wrong works. Let's make a sentence. Tom accused me of lying. Agree. It means consent. If we make a sentence, then we can say, I don't agree with their present policy. That means I'm not agree with them. Allow. That means permit. To give permission. If we make a sentence, then we can say, allow me to introduce myself. That means permit me so that I can tell something about myself. Answer. That means reply. Let's make a sentence again. Why are you not answering my texts? That means I'm not getting reply from someone. Attempt. Try. A sentence would be like, they made an attempt to be helpful. That means they are trying to be helpful. Ask. Request the answer to a question. Query. If there is anything or something you want, don't hesitate to ask me. Adult. Mature, grown up. Over the age of 18, fully matured. Anyone over 18 years of age counts as adult. Ability. It means a special talent or skill. Let's make a sentence. He has the ability to manage a business. That means he can manage a business. Advice. That means guidance or give an opinion. Let's make a sentence. I need your advice too on which car to buy. Ancient. Very old or existed long time ago. Let's make a sentence. Rome has a lot of ancient buildings. Avoid. Ignore something or someone. Try to avoid bad company. That means someone or something is bad, is harmful for us. Accurate. No error or nothing is wrong. The report was accurate and well balanced. Agony. Extreme upset or sadness. She was in terrible agony after breaking her leg. That means she was so upset. Aroma, a smell or scent. Perfume, a delicious aroma is coming from the kitchen. That means delicious food is cooking at kitchen. Assist, to help someone, or an act of giving help. If we make a sentence, my sister assists me in cooking. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like it, please subscribe this channel, stay with us by giving a thumbs up and share it and spread it into your friends and family so that they can reach us easily.